Log in, go to the upload section, and select jewelry, then ring. Follow the instructions. Upload the image without a background and name the file with the SKU, like this, SKU01 PNG. Go step by step. Step 1. Use the Remove BG Free API to easily remove the background from your ring image. Once done, download the image. Step 2. Open the background removed ring image and go to Edit image to fit properly, then save the file. Make sure to name it according to the instructions. Enter the SKU name. For example, I'm entering Ring 001. Now head back to the dashboard and go to the Upload section. Upload the background removed, cropped ring image and follow the steps to save it. Your ring is now ready for virtual try-on. Finally, click on Try On and experience the ring in both video and photo mode. Enjoy the seamless virtual try-on experience.